Have you ever read a story from the Bible and felt like it was written just for you? Today, we're diving into Joshua chapter 24, a powerful story that's not just about ancient Israel, but about God's plan for his people right now, in the last days. It's the story God wrote, and you are in it. Let's set the scene. In Joshua 24, verse 1, Joshua gathers all the tribes of Israel at a very special place, Shechem. This wasn't a random location. Shechem is where Abraham first received the promise of the land. It's where Jacob, centuries later, told his family to get rid of their foreign gods and buried them under an oak tree. So Shechem is a place of promise, purification, and covenant renewal. Prophetically, this gathering at Shechem points to a final gathering of God's people before the end. We're told that just before the final events, the Lord will have a pure, holy people. A separating process will take place. This isn't about leaving the church, but a purification within it, a time for God as faithful to renew their covenant with Him, and to remove any strange gods, anything that takes His rightful place in our hearts. This ancient gathering is a type, a blueprint for the final gathering of God's people to prepare for His kingdom. Now, let's look at the story God tells through Joshua. From verse 2 to 13, it's a powerful recap of God's saving acts. Notice the repetition. God says, "I took your father Abraham. I gave him Isaac. I sent Moses and Aaron. I brought you out. I delivered you. And finally, I gave you a land." It's a constant reminder. This is God's story. He is the author of salvation. This principle is timeless. We're often reminded we have nothing to fear for the future unless we forget how God has led us. But this isn't just about looking back. Past events are written to show us our dangers and our deliverance in the final work. The deliverance from Egypt becomes a symbol of our deliverance from modern spiritual bondage. Crossing the Red Sea represents our separation from the world, and the conquest of Canaan prefigures the final purification and establishment of God's kingdom. So, how does this ancient story apply to us personally? Deuteronomy 5:2-3 says it perfectly. The Lord made not this covenant with our fathers, but with us, even us, who are all of us here alive today. The covenant isn't just a historical document, it's a living promise. When God recounts his faithfulness to Israel, he's speaking to you. He's saying, this story of redemption includes you. Every promise in the Bible is for us today. God is bringing us to the same decision point as Israel at Shechem. Will we serve him completely? Finally, we arrive at the ultimate promise in verse 13. "And I have given you a land for which ye did not labor, and cities which ye built not. Of the vineyards and oliveyards which ye planted not do the eat." This wasn't just about the physical land of Canaan. It's a beautiful symbol of the coming kingdom of God, which is a gift of grace, not something we can build or earn through our own efforts. It is a kingdom set up by God himself for a purified people. But notice the pattern. Purification comes before possession. Before they could inherit the land, Abraham had to leave idolatry. Jacob had to bury the strange gods. A whole generation had to be purified in the wilderness. The same divine order applies today. A process of purification must happen before God's people can inherit the eternal kingdom. Only those who have been cleansed by the power of His truth will be ready to stand. The story of Joshua 24 is our story. It's an invitation to gather at our own spiritual Shechem, to put away all our idols, renew our covenant with God, and trust in the story He is writing for our salvation. The kingdom is a gift, prepared for a people He has prepared. Thank you for watching. If this message resonated with you, please like and subscribe for more content.